You did this.
I did. Look at this. Manzi.
No more soda for you.
Alright. You gotta like set up tripod, see if it explodes.
I don't think it's
See, it won't explode. It'll break.
Oh.
It'll just.
The machine might break.
Yeah, it'll just suddenly all turn off. Like the machine's just gonna turn off at some point. How? And of all people for this to
I
happen,
put my coins in the coin machine and it just fucked up.
fucked up.
it's like giving up. It's just like.
The machine's like, I need help.
R.I.P. my drink.
This is great.
Fucking quality.
What was the drink that you got? That's what you get for choosing that one thing.
It's not asking for it's 150.
Dude.
It is too.
Exact change only, please.
Thoughts?
Fucking want my money back. She was like, oh shit, dog, there's no shaking that. That's great.
Yeah, that's what I was like. You can't even.
I was like, why is the vending machine so angry? It's like, bitch, bitch. Like, what'd you do? What'd you
Like-
fuck up?
I put my card in the thing and it just...
Like you made it so that no one can use it at all today or until they fix
How
it.
long
Plus,
has it been like this?
I want my money
the past
back, or
like
my drink.
5 minutes, or your
All they
drink.
have to do is turn it off and it should
Is someone willing to like put in another $1 to see what it'll do? But I want to see
that would
what
be great.
I want to see what it's gonna do if you put in if you like
I'm just gonna buy a drink. I'm buying like a
Balling,
$1.
Claudia. You're balling.
the second it doesn't work, press like your money back.
You're just in time.
Oh, it's not even gonna,
It's not even gonna accept it.
Dude, it's not a
Take my money, bitch. Bitch. No.
It's like, don't you see it?
We're being suffering.
Like, there's no way for it to do anything. It's
So
stuck
they
there.
have to open the door and get it. Yep.
It's gonna break. It's legitimately gonna break. The whole machine's not gonna be here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bitch. Bitch. It's done. The machine's out of service, but instead
Why do you still have that?
Why does anyone still have this?
Why is still there?
Flip the fat
Where
right
did that?
out.
That was a joke like fucking 3 videos ago.